What if your outfits could make you look taller, leaner, and instantly more confident without buying anything new? Most women, over 50, unknowingly make 6 styling mistakes that visually shorten the silhouette. Fix them, and suddenly your clothes begin working for you rather than against you. Today, you will discover the gentle adjustments that lift your shape, brighten your presence, and bring back that long, elegant line that feels so good to see in the mirror. Let's begin. Mistake 1. One of the most common ways women unintentionally shorten their silhouette is by wearing 2 loose, unstructured pieces at the same time. A relaxed top combined with wide trousers may feel comfortable, but visually it spreads volume across the body, removes the natural waistline, and creates a blocky outline that pulls your height downward instead of upward. Even beautiful fabrics lose their elegance when everything is oversized at once. Solution. The fix is simple and beautifully effective. Choose only one relaxed piece and let the other bring a touch of structure. A soft knit with a clear neckline, a blouse that skims the waist, or a top that has a gentle shape immediately restores your natural proportions. Pair this with comfortable trousers that drape rather than balloon. The moment you do this, the eye finds a long vertical line again. That line is what creates the look of height. Color helps as well. Soft monochromes and gentle neutrals bring the top and bottom together, creating a calm, uninterrupted flow. This smooth transition has a graceful effect that lifts the entire silhouette. When comfort and structure work together, something powerful happens. Your shape appears longer, your presence feels lighter, and you gain that effortless elegance that makes getting dressed a pleasure. Mistake 2. The second mistake is creating a strong, horizontal break across the body. When the top and bottom contrast strongly, the eye stops at the dividing line and your silhouette becomes visually split into 2 blocks. This interrupts your natural vertical line and pulls your height downward. Even classic outfits can look shorter, simply because the colors cut the body in half. Solution. To create visual height, guide the eye upward rather than stopping it halfway. You do not need to wear one color from head to toe. You simply need tones that blend softly. Pair light tops with warm beige or soft taupe. Match gentle pastels with creamy neutrals. When the colors speak to each other, your silhouette gains immediate length and fluidity. Layering is also incredibly flattering. Wearing a light tank under an open blouse creates a clean vertical line that runs down the center of the body. This quiet detail pulls the eye upward and adds height without any effort. Accessories placed near the face do the same. A silk scarf, a delicate necklace, or simple sunglasses draw attention upward and lift the entire look. The moment that harsh middle break disappears, your shape feels balanced again. You look taller, more refined, and beautifully in proportion. Mistake 3. The third mistake is choosing hemlines that end at the widest part of the leg. When a skirt or dress stops at the broadest point, the eye settles there and instantly widens the silhouette. This makes the leg appear shorter and the proportions less elegant. Even a beautifully cut dress can lose its lengthening effect simply because the hem interrupts the line at the wrong place. Solution. The secret is choosing a hem that lands at the narrowest point instead. This can be just above the calf, just below it, or at the ankle depending on the shape of the garment. When the hem meets the slimmer part of your leg, your silhouette takes on a long, clean line. Your legs appear more defined and more graceful. Footwear plays a role as well. Shoes that reveal the ankle, low vamp flats, or light, elegant sandals continue the vertical line and create the look of height. You do not need heels for this effect. A simple open ankle can do more for your proportions than any lift. When the hem and the shoe work together, the leg looks longer and the whole outfit feels elevated. Mistake 4. The fourth mistake is relying on oversized or heavy accessories. Large handbags, Chunky shoes or bold sunglasses can dominate your frame and drag the outfit downward. They interrupt the soft vertical lines that naturally elongate your silhouette. Instead of adding style, these pieces add weight and make your proportions look shorter and less balanced than they truly are. Solution: your accessories should work with your proportions, not against them. Medium-sized bags with clean, refined structure are perfect for women 50 plus because they add presence without overwhelming your shape. Choose sunglasses that highlight your features rather than hide them. Select shoes that feel light on the foot, especially in neutral tones. These gentle elements bring focus upward again, restoring balance and harmony. You do not need small accessories. You simply need ones that suit your scale. This shift creates a beautiful lift, making your outfits feel more polished, more flattering, and instantly more elegant. Mistake 5. The fifth mistake is placing belts or horizontal details at the wrong point. A belt positioned across the fullest part of the stomach or hips divides the body into two shorter segments. This emphasizes width rather than shape and interrupts the long vertical line that creates height. Even lovely dresses can look boxy when a belt cuts across the wrong area. Solution: place the belt slightly higher, at or just above your natural waist. This subtle shift lifts the eye upward and gives the impression of longer legs in a more defined shape. Soft belts, fabric ties, or slim leather styles are especially flattering because they guide the eye without interrupting the flow of your outfit. Choose belt colors that blend gently with your clothing, so the waist looks emphasized but not separated. This small adjustment creates a beautiful proportion that feels naturally balanced and comfortably elegant. Mistake 6. The final mistake is wearing stiff pieces that lack movement. Rigid shirts, heavy skirts, or boxy fabrics create a static outline that hides your natural curves and shortens the silhouette. Without flow or drape, the eye moves sideways rather than upward. This makes even a well-styled outfit appear heavier and less refined than it could be. Solution: movement is what brings life and length to your shape. Choose fabrics that drape, glide, or flow. Soft linen, gentle knits, light trousers, or skirts with subtle movement create a long, clean line that flatters every figure. Open layers are especially effective. An open blouse over a simple top or a light cardigan over a fitted base creates a natural vertical pathway for the eye. This flowing structure elongates the body in the most effortless way. When your clothing moves with you, your silhouette looks lighter, taller, and more refined. When you adjust these small details, something subtle but powerful happens. Your outfits start lifting your silhouette instead of lowering it. Your posture shifts. Your presence sharpens. And suddenly, you look taller without changing a single thing about your body. Try just one of these changes tomorrow, and watch how different you feel when you see yourself in the mirror.